Fact number 1. 21 gun salutes are given every year when the President of India hosts the national flag on Republic Day. Fact number 2. The first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, took oath at Darbar Hall of Government House first time on 26th of January in 1950. Fact number 3. The President Sukarno of Indonesia was the first chief guest at the first Republic Day celebration of India at 26th of January 1950. Fact number 4. On 26th of January in 1965, Hindi language was declared as our national language of India. Fact number 5. On 26th January 1950, the lion of Ashoka at Sarnath was chosen as the national emblem of India.